candy sweet, yet soothing for your stomach and throat? Meet licorice root, a humble plant with surprisingly big benefits. Stick with me. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to use licorice safely and effectively at home. Quick note, this is educational only. Always talk to your healthcare provider. And hey, subscribe, and share for more natural health insights. Ever wished a scratchy cough or sore throat would just chill out? Or wanted gentle relief for occasional heartburn? Licorice might help. We're talking about the root, not just the candy. Licorice has a long, global history, from ancient Egypt to traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. Important, many modern candies use anise flavor, not real licorice. For benefits, look for Glycyrrhiza glabra. Glycyrrhiza glabra, literally sweet root in Greek, is native to parts of southern Europe and Asia. Its signature compound, glycyrrhizin, tastes 30–50 times sweeter than sugar and drives many of its effects. In TCM, licorice, ganchao, harmonizes formulas and supports the lungs and digestion. In Ayurveda, yashtimadhu is used to rejuvenate and calm inflammation. Today, traditional wisdom is meeting modern research, especially for digestion and skin. Beyond glycyrrhizin, licorice holds 300+ compounds, flavonoids, plant sterols, and more. Flavonoids act as antioxidants and add anti-inflammatory support. That diverse chemistry lets licorice touch multiple systems: gut, throat, lungs, even the skin. But power requires respect. Licorice isn't right for everyone. We'll cover safe use, dosages, and who should avoid it. We'll balance benefits with safety so you can make informed, practical choices. Let's dive deeper and see how this sweet surprise can support your health journey. If you're learning something new, tap like, subscribe, and share to support more natural health content. Up next, the simple science, how licorice actually works. And we'll translate that science into clear, practical steps you can safely use at home. The star compound is glycyrrhizin. It's sweet, and it changes how your body uses cortisol. By slowing cortisol breakdown, licorice can extend cortisol's action. That may help calm inflammation and support the stress response, but also requires caution. In the gut, licorice boosts protective mucus, shielding the stomach and small intestine from acid. That's why DGL licorice is popular for heartburn and ulcers, soothing without glycyrrhizin's risks. Licorice is demulcent. It forms a soft, protective coating over irritated mucous membranes. That can take the edge off raw, scratchy throats. It's also expectorant, thinning thick mucus so you can cough it up more easily. A more productive cough helps clear the airways and can speed comfort. Anti-inflammatory flavonoids add relief for irritated throats, bronchitis, or lingering coughs. For occasional heartburn and reflux, that mucus boost can protect and soothe the lining. DGL removes most glycyrrhizin, keeping the gut-soothing benefits while minimizing blood pressure risks. Chew 1 or 2 tablets about 20 minutes before meals so the saliva-activated compounds can coat and calm. Research suggests DGL can support healing of stomach and small intestinal ulcers, alongside your doctor's care. For general indigestion, bloating, and mild stomach discomfort, licorice's anti-inflammatory nature can help. A lot of research is in test tubes and animals, showing anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antiviral potential. Human studies are smaller but promising for digestion and some skin applications. Treat licorice as a supportive tool, not a miracle cure, and use it with common sense. Next, we'll tap licorice for calmer skin and steadier energy. Then, lock in the golden safety rules. Remember, tea and lozenges for throat and cough, DGL before meals for heartburn and indigestion. Topically, licorice can calm redness and irritation, great for sensitive, reactive skin. For eczema, rosacea, or psoriasis, licorice-based creams and serums can soothe flare-ups. Glabradin helps reduce excess melanin. Think dark spots from sun or post-acne marks. With consistent use, licorice can gently lighten spots and even tone without harsh bleaches. Scan ingredient lists for Glycyrrhiza glabra in creams, lotions, and serums, and patch test first. Topical use avoids the systemic risks tied to ingesting glycyrrhizin. By slowing cortisol breakdown, licorice can help some folks feel steadier energy under stress. The goal is resilience, fewer peaks and crashes, not stimulation. But prolonged cortisol action can raise blood pressure, cause fluid retention, and lower potassium. For adrenal support, use glycyrrhiza-containing licorice only with guidance, low doses, short periods. DGL removes glycyrrhiza. It doesn't affect cortisol and is safer for long-term digestive use. Golden rules: short-term use, modest amounts, and know your health status. Glycyrrhiza can make you retain sodium and water and lose potassium. That's the big safety lever. Watch for warning signs: rising blood pressure, swelling, headaches, weakness, and seek care if they appear. Avoid glycyrrhiza licorice if you have high blood pressure, heart or kidney issues, or if you're pregnant. Be cautious with medications, especially blood pressure meds, diuretics, warfarin, and digoxin. Common guidance: keep glycyrrhiza under 100 ml per day and avoid daily use longer than a few weeks. Labels vary. Glycyrrhiza content isn't always clear. When in doubt, stick to moderation and short-term use. For ongoing digestive support, choose DGL. That's the safer long-term option. Track how you feel, monitor your blood pressure if needed, and stop if red flags pop up. Bottom line: respect the herb, know the risks, and work with your clinician, especially if you take prescriptions. Let's get practical. Easiest use? Tea. Grab pre-made licorice tea bags. Simple and convenient. Or use about 1 teaspoon of dried root per cup of boiling water. Cover and steep 5 to 10 minutes. Longer for stronger, sweeter tea. Strain and sip warm to ease a sore throat or calm your stomach. For on-the-go throat relief, use licorice lozenges and let them dissolve slowly. Check labels. Real licorice extract, not just anise flavor. For heartburn and reflux, DGL chewables are the gold standard. Chew 1 or 2 tablets about 20 minutes before eating to activate and coat. Skin goals? Look for licorice extract in creams, serums, and masks to calm and brighten. Always patch test first, then apply consistently as directed. We've seen the ancient roots and modern science behind this remarkable plant. It can soothe sore throats, calm digestion, reduce inflammation, and support stress resilience. But the same compound that helps, glycyrrhiza, demands respect. Use wisely. Golden rules: short-term use, moderate amounts, and DGL for long-term digestive support. Skip glycyrrhiza licorice if you have high blood pressure, heart-kidney conditions, or are pregnant. Start simple. Try tea for a temporary cough, or DGL before dinner for indigestion. Track your response, and stop if side effects show up. This video is educational and not medical advice. Your healthcare provider is your best guide. Remember, real wellness is holistic: nutrition, movement, stress management, and smart tools like licorice. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. It really supports the channel. Approach herbs with curiosity, caution, and respect, and let nature's sweet root work gently for you.